Yes or no, Akshay?
Yeah, I remember.
Now got it?
Yes, sir.
You got A by B as 1. So the answer is, he's asking you additive inverse of A by B. Therefore, it's -1. Okay? Good. Solve this. Looks difficult, but it's not. It looks confusing. Examiners try to confuse you by giving some numbers like that, but they are easy. Just concentrate. Just concentrate. You'll get the answer. Good. Alex, you are following the class? You're not answering questions at all, Alex. You find them easy or you're finding them difficult?
Sir, I'm confused about this one.
You're confused with this question?
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's look at this.
Sir, I got how to do it, just that I need some time.
No. I mean, there are better questions and very challenging questions. Let's go there. So let's not waste time on this. Let me explain. Concentrate. Okay. So we have A by 12 plus A by 15. So you can see A by 12 plus A by 15, right, is equal to 18. So you can see that you have 12 here, you have 15 there. So you can find out the LCM quickly. So what is LCM of 12 and 15? You can see it is 60.
60.
Very good. So you know it is 60. So you have 60 here. So you can
Sir,
simply
you have
do
5 and
very
you
good.
have
5A plus your 15 4s are 4A.
Sir, that will
So
become 9.
that will be equal to 18. So 5A plus 4A will be 9A. 9A divided by 60 will be equal to 18. Correct? So you know 9 ones are and 9 twos are. You can see 9 apples are equal to 18. Therefore, apple will be 2, right? So 9 gets cancelled. So your A, the 60, your denominator will go there. Therefore, your A will be 2 into 60, which is 120.
120, sir.
So you get a value of A, which is 120. And what is the next part? You have your 18 by B. This is easy part. 18 by B plus 24 by B. So which is easy because 18 by B plus 24 by B is given to you as 7. So your denominator is same. Therefore, you simply take B in the denominator. You add the numerators. 18 plus 24 is how much? 24 plus 8 is 32, 42. So that is your 42. So that should be equal to 7. Therefore, you know B goes there and 7 comes here. Therefore, it is 42 by
7.
42 by 7 is equal to B.
And then sir, 7, 6 or 42.
Yeah, B is equal to 6.
So then 120 by 6 is practically.
Yeah. So basically now let's come here. B divided, now you need A divided by B multiplied with, inside the bracket you can see B divided by A. Your B divided by A is divided by A by B. So if you change it to multiplication, your A by B will become B by A.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no?
Sir, from outside, can't you just cancel B and B and A and
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that. Sir.
No. The B and B doesn't cancel there. Wait. You cannot cancel here B and B because it's B by A divided by A by B. It's not multiplication. If it were to be multiplication, it would have cancelled.
It becomes reciprocal, so it becomes B into B. And sir, I'm talking about A by B into B by like.
Now you can do. No, now you can do. First you have to do this step. Otherwise you'll end up making mistakes.
Sir, first we have to do like the reciprocation.
Yes. So you have done the division part now. Everything is in the same line. Now you can say multiplication. Now you can say that. Now you have what? You have A by B into B by A into B by A. Now this B and this B can be cancelled.
Yes, sir.
You can cancel this A and cancel. So
that is what we were saying, sir.
Yeah. Very good. No problem. That's equal to your B by A. Now what is your B by A? What is your B? B is 6 and your
by
A is
120.
120. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are. Therefore it's 1 by 20. Therefore your answer is option B. Okay? Very good. I think most of you are getting it there. Alex, are you okay with this now? Alex, does this make sense to you?
Sir? There's
Correct.
actually another way to do it. Since you
Okay.
already gave 2 letters, you can take them as options, and then you can say that, wait, I can pick A, the A option, but then reverse psychology says that I should pick the B option, and then like that you can solve it. You can
Oh,
get
but
the right
that
option.
takes a lot of time, Arya. For this particular question, it will take a lot of time. You can try it out. Shaumik, how are you? Is that okay? What did you do? I did random. What do you mean by you did random?
Sir, I understood how to do it, but then I was too slow.
Okay, good. So that's all for this part of the session. But I'm opening another session. Just hold for a moment. We need to discuss the questions that were asked in the test. Okay, so let me pull up another session for you. Okay, so how many of you find these kind of questions uncomfortable for you? How many of you are not comfortable solving such questions? Bars? How many of you need help with these questions?
Me.
Okay.
I do. Sir, I've never done calculation with bars, sir.
Okay, so so we'll come there. And just because first I want to help you with the type of questions that we have already done. So I'll do this little later. Let's go to the other questions. Come on, quickly solve this. I got, so many people making a mistake in the exam. I saw, I'll tell you who all went wrong with this particular question. This particular question, 9 of you got it incorrect in the exam. Arjun made a mistake, Kavya made a mistake, Shaumik made a mistake, Satvika, Alex, Kirtana, Veda, Ritu, Arya, all of you made mistakes with this particular problem. I wanted to know why. I thought it is an easy question. Most of you will solve this. Let me see why you made a mistake.
So this was actually easy, but I don't know if I got it correct. It looks really easy now.
Solve it now.
Because you can just solve Q, then you can add P to it.
Do it. You made a mistake in the exam. Did you write the exam, Akshar, on Sunday? Did you take the test?
I did write the exam, but it told I submitted it and it showed me when the test results will be shown.
So this question,
but,
only two people got this right in the actual test. I'll tell you who are those 2 people. That's Naisha and Nimarta. Nimarta, I think, is from a different class. She ended up taking this test. Okay, only 2 people got this right in the actual test. Kavya, how come you made a mistake with this? Kirtana, why?
Sir, the off threw me off.
What? Can you repeat?
Sir, the off part, I think, threw me off.
Oh, okay. P is 3/4 of Q. That's what it is saying. So first you need to calculate Q, which is easy to calculate. Okay, what is Q? Q is nothing but 2/5 plus 5/6. How do we do it? We have learned addition of rational numbers. Take a LCM. 5 and 6 LCM is 30. So 5 6 are 6 2s are 12 plus 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. What? Akshar?
Sorry. I got 119/60.
So that is 37/30.
Yeah.
37/30. Very good. Veda, very good. 37/30, that's your Q. And P is 3/4 of Q. What is P? So how do you calculate P? P is nothing but 3/4 of Q. 4 of Q. So that means your P value is 3/4 of. Of means multiplication. 3 by 4 of Q. So 3 by 4 of, okay, Q. What is Q? 37 by, Q is 37 by 30. So if you do that, so you
3
can,
and 30
3
can be cancelled.
3
And will
ones are
become
3
37
tens
by
are.
10.
Very good.
And
So
all-
will P become
So
37
it's
by 40.
37.
40.
Correct. So you have 37 by 30 and you have 37 by 40. So what is he asking you? He's asking you P plus Q. So how do you do that? You need to just add 37 by 30 plus 37 by 40. So you can see LCM of 30 and 40 is 120. 3 fours are 12. Okay. So
59
so
by
what?
120 after the calculation is done. It's
So basically
259
your
by
37 is common to both of them. You can take common and do it. You know, there's the two ways to do this. One way to do this is you can take 37 common out. So if you take 37 common out, it is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. Can you see that? Can everyone see that?
Yes.
I've taken 37 common so that it becomes easier to calculate. So that now it becomes, I'm just moving up in the step. So I'm just taking 37 there. Now 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40, basically it's 120. 34s are, 4 ones are 4 plus 43s are, 3 ones are 3. So 4 plus 3 by 120. So your answer will be 37 times 4 plus 3 is 7 by 120. So 37 into 7 by 120. What is 37 into 7 by 120? Is there any common factor there?
The actual answer for 37 into 7 is 259. So 259 by 120.
Well, that option is not there. Okay. Oh, I think there is no option in the problem. So are we missing out on anything? Did we miss out anything anywhere? Just take a look. I think
So
we got it right, but somewhere option is not there. So I
Yeah.
think that's the reason most of you got it incorrect. So I was wondering how come this easy question so many
Actually,
of you
yeah,
made.
like my ultimate
Correct.
answer, I checked my notes like just now, it's 259 by 120, but I didn't further solve it, so I guess I just guessed it to be 53 by 40 or something like that.
Okay.
Because I haven't done any calculation after 259 by 120.
Okay. So you guessed it because after some time you know 40 is the denominator, so you
The
took 40
reason
as
I guessed it, sir, because I was
Ah,
super confused.
okay.
And I'm like, how
Okay.
to simplify?
Okay. So all of you can add your marks for this question.